Hey boys, I'm going to do a quick little review sort of thing on a 23 channel CB radio that I acquired today. Basically it's a 23 channel AM mobile radio, CB radio. It's a PANASONIC RJ-3200, and the main features of the front panel: you got CB PA, mic jack, tone, high and low, A&L, noise blanker on off. You have delta tune, plus minus 0. You have squelch control, volume control. You have your channel selector here. You have your on-ear light here, and your modulation light here, and your channel display right here. And that's pretty much what the front door looks like. And of course your signal RF meter here in the front, which is nice. Same type meter, the round meter like you see in the Cobra base stations, like the Cobra 139 and the Cobra 142. Nice meters. And of course you have the rear panel of the radio. You have your power connector here, 2-pin, negative on this side, positive on this side. You have your antenna, 50 ohm. You have your PA speaker goes here, and your external speaker goes here. And that is pretty much it. And then you have your little label here, PANASONIC RJ-3200. 13.8 volts, and she's 1.5 amps. Citizen D, or Class D Citizen Radio Service license required. Very cool. And now we have the internal guts of the PANASONIC RJ-3200. I'm taking the cover off mine, so you don't have to. So I'm going to put the camera a little bit sideways so you can actually see a little bit better, possibly. So this is the rear part of the radio, and of course this is the front part of the radio. You have your 50 megahertz trap right here, TVI filter. So yeah, I'm liking this radio. One thing I'll make note, that this circuit board here is double-sided. It's two-sided. There's traces on both sides of the circuit board. So I remember some of the 40 channel base stations had the old O2A PLL chip, and they had a dual-sided PC board. Yeah, this also has a PC board, double-sided. And right here you have your channel selector is up here in this corner. You have your crystals, your mixing crystals right here. Then you have your switch here is for your tuning, your delta tune. And yeah, so you got LED here, LED here, LED up here, light behind here. I've seen a couple of pictures online, and she actually lights up a nice green color, which is pretty neat, to say the least. And now we got you right side up again. I got to say, it's a very well built 23 channel CB radio. I've seen a nice few CBs. I got to say, I haven't seen one quite built to this specifications. I got to say, this is a nice design in regards to how the board is laid out and how it's built. It looks to me to be rather rugged, which is what you really want in a CB radio environment. And this is with the radio now powered up. Nice light, nice backlit meter. And you got the green analog dial. Very nice. Your channel 9. Right up to 23. And no man's land between 22 and 23. So there you have it. That is the PANASONIC RJ-3200 AM CB radio.